How to add products to your website. First we're going to create a simple product, then we're going to add a product with multiple variations. So go to your website, and go to products, add new, type in title, description of your product, create it live, go into default information, type in it's like a unique ID number, this is it, SKU. Stock. Here's the price of your product. If you're using VAT, here's where you type in the percentage with you're excluding any VAT from the price, and that's where you type that in. There we go. Update. Categories, where you set your categories up. Let's go to the product. Here's the product you've just made. We haven't uploaded an image yet, so there's a default image there. Same here. To upload an image, files, add file, upload. Update. There we go, there's the image. There's a title that you can put in at the top here. To get that you go into extras. And the short description here. There's the title. Now there are bullet point options that you can get, they can go here. Get an extra, and point 1, 2, 3 and 4. We're just going to do point 1 for now. There we go, that's how you set up a simple product. And obviously because it's already in the category, you have letterbox flowers down here already. Now to set up a product with variations. Click on products. Go add new. Type in your name. Create now. Add a file. So let me just update that. Just change it low. Set the category to letter flowers. So here's your product at the moment. So now we want to add our variations to it. So first of all, we need to set some attributes that can be set to the variations. So ours is going to be colour. So it's going to be red and white. And then the one that you want to come up first, you have to enter a higher number. Like so. And let's update. Attributes. To make it so you can use it in variations, you have to make sure you've selected this box here, uses variation. Then go to variations. Have variations, add new. And you can select the colour that you wanted to set up for this variation. So first of all, we're going to do red. Type in SKU. And stock. Price. We're going to do 20. Then you have the same options under here for the points and then description. So you can just fill them in. Equivalent to that variation type. So if they're the same, if they're all the same in each one, you can just enter them in the default extra here, and they'll just pop up for each variation as the default ones. Add the images. So we're going to add 2 images here. So we're going to have this one, which is our default image. Again, a higher number means it comes first in the display. And we're going to add the other image. Then that's the number. And update. So you see our variations set up, SKUs are set up. But at the moment we haven't got a white one actually set up. And the pictures will change. If you haven't got something set up for a variation, it will just come up with the default images. And if you've got images set up, it will then come up with both of them. You can then click on the sidebar here. And the SKU number changes depending on if you've clicked it or not. So let's set up the other variation. Right. We're going to do a different price so you see it change. Set up the files. Again, set the picture you want up first as the higher number. Okay. Now we're going to add a points at the bottom here. So you can see the white working, the number changing. So we're going to go to variations, go to white. And in the description we're going to add there, here. And in point 1 we're going to add this here. And red. Going to add different information. Now you see all the information update here and there. The price change as well. Now at the bottom here, say you want to add a description at the bottom, but you want it to be a big image with all the information about the product. This is how you do that. So here's the description area. I'm going to add your image first. unschooled phrase. So we'd want it right across the screen. So all we do is go into type in width equals 100, just like that as it is in the picture. Width equals quote 100% and then another quote on the end inside the bracket. Now when you bring it up, yeah, there's a large image.